Our chicken is cooked, you're just going to add that first into the mayonnaise, like so. Mix that around. Then you'll add the celery. Mix that around too. Celery is really good because it adds a little crunch to the salad, which is good. And then you'll add the green onions. Sprinkle those around. Mix that in. Sure those are mixed around. And so you can just let this sit for a little while and cool off. It's supposed to be served cold. And then at the end we'll chop our lettuce up and mix this in with the lettuce and add the apples. Okay, so to prepare the salad you're just going to want to take your chopped romaine lettuce and put about 2 handfuls on there. And you probably want about a spoonful of your potato salad. Probably half a handful of fresh cut apples. So after you've peeled your potatoes, you want to put them in a food processor to shred them to make our potato pancakes. And the end result will be just like this. And you see how this is pretty moist? That's why we're going to add cornstarch, which will make it a little drier and make sure that the potato pancakes stick together a little better. So what I've done here is I've taken the scallion and potato mixture, I've heated up some canola oil in a pan, and I've just put a little bit in there and I'm letting it cook a little bit, and once it's brown on the bottom, I'll flip it over, and that's how you make potato pancakes.
So I'm going to show you guys how to make pasta with a ragu of tiny meatballs. And first you want your ground beef for your meatballs, and you want to add a little bit, about half a nutmeg, and those are pretty easy. You just chop up half a nutmeg and a little bit of cinnamon. You're going to want to add about 3 cloves of garlic, finely minced. That goes in there. So now you want to start your sauce, and so you want a little bit of garlic, a little bit of green onion, some of the more of that red pepper, and the basil all finely minced. And then you're just going to put it right into the pan. And then you're going to fry it up in some olive oil and get it nice and even and wait until it browns. Okay, so after the meatballs are kind of brown, so you want them to look a little bit like that, you're going to re-add the sauce and let it all simmer and reduce for a little while so it gets a little bit thicker. And then once that's done and our pasta is all finished cooking, we'll add it all together. So then for the meringue, what you want to do is you want to take the 2 finished meringue pies, which should look a little bit like this, and take about half of your lemon zest that you have and put it right onto it and just kind of spread it out. And then you'll put the second half right on top of that, and then you'll cover it with whatever's left of your lemon. Get it all on there. And then you'll finish that off by putting some more raspberries on top and adding a little bit of powdered sugar.